Gold color called Casablanca. I'm going to fill in the center part of my lid using another flat shader brush. To blend this gold color out with the pink pigment that I used earlier, I'm going to use the color Bori with a very delicate blending brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to apply it right on that line that joins the gold with the pink pigment. I'm going to go in really small circles to blend it out. I'm going to now apply the color Giza in the inner third using another flat brush. Using some black eyeshadow, I'm going to start intensifying the outer V using a flat fluffy brush. The black eyeshadow that I'm using is MAC Carbon. You can use any black eyeshadow to do this. It's very easy to go overboard with a black eyeshadow and then it starts looking very muddy. So the ideal way to use it is to carve out the area where you want to use it first and slowly build up the color over it. Now I'm using a blending brush to soften out just the edges. And then using a small definer brush, I'm going to drag that black color very delicately into the crease towards the center of the lid, just to balance out the cut crease on the other side of the lid. To save some time on this video, I'm going to apply the foundation off camera, and the one that I'm using today is Dream Liquid Mousse from Maybelline. And I'm also going to set it with a press powder, and the one that I'm using is the Smashbox press powder in the color 5. I'm going to be applying some translucent powder under my eyes, so in case there's any fallouts from the shadows, it's easier to dust it off later. To soften my lower lash line, I'm taking the color Burkina with a pencil brush, and I'm going to smoke it out in my lower lash line. Now comes the most intricate part of the eye makeup, lining your eyes. First, taking the NYX matte eyeliner in black, I'm going to draw out a regular wing, and I'm going to also line my top lash line using this, but I'm going to go very close to my waterline on the top because I have hooded eyes. When you tend to make the eyeliner thicker, your eyes kind of look more droopy, so you want to keep it very close to the lash line, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to extend this liner in the inner corner. Next, using my flat definer brush, I'm going to line my lower lash line using black eyeshadow. I'm going to just do it in the center part of my lower lash line and leave a small gap in the outer and inner corners because I will be drawing out wings in my lower lash line as well. Using a small angled brush, I'm going to take the same black eyeshadow to first draw out a wing in the inner corner and then in the outer corner. Taking my pencil brush, I'm going to soften up the black color that I used in the center part of my lash line. Taking some concealer with an eyeliner brush, I'm going to start cleaning up the gaps that are formed by drawing out the wings. And then I'm going to fill in those gaps with a white eyeshadow. To clean up the lines further, I'm using my black eyeliner. And in my lower waterline, I'm going to be using a white eye pencil. Taking the color Giza, I'm going to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corners. Next, I'll be applying my mascara. This is the Mega Length from Wet n Wild. Before that, I'm going to be curling my lashes. And for falsies, I'm using the Amaze Mink Lashes from Babella Cosmetics. To contour my face, I'm using the color Fawn from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. And to highlight my jawline and just to give it some structure, I'm using the color Banana from the same kit. I'm going to let the product sit there for some time before I bronze my face, and for bronzer, I'm using the Sun Shimmer from Rimmel. Taking my large powder brush, I'm going to blend everything out just so it looks seamless. Using my So Hollywood Illuminator from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to highlight the highest planes of my face. As always, I'm going to first apply it with a brush and slowly tap it in with my fingers. Usually Arabic makeup is very dramatic on the eyes but very muted on the lips. They usually go for very nude colors. And for that reason, I'm using the Sigma lipstick in the color New Mod. For finishing touches, I used my purple crystal necklace on the forehead as well as a golden shawl around my head. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And let me know if you like to see more such tutorials by commenting below. I will see you on Thursday with a brand new one. Bye guys.